Hi, class 9th exercise 2.3 examples we are going to solve part 7 polynomials. Okay, so in exercise 2.3 first question we will solve, find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by. First question is x plus 1, second one is x minus 1 to 1 by 2, third one is x, fourth one is x plus pi, fifth one is pi plus 2x. Okay, so we will go for the solution. So let we have considered here in the given example x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is there, that we have considered here as a p of x is equal to, okay, that I will call as 1. Okay, first polynomial. Then what is g of x given here? First question x plus 1. So x plus 1 is equated with 0. So what happens here? X is equal to minus 1 because plus 1 is transferred to the right hand side. So plus will become minus. Okay. So now put x is equal to minus 1 in first polynomial. So what happens here? X is there, so x is equal to minus 1. P of minus 1 is equal to x cube, means instead of x minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. See here you have to substitute the value of x is equal to minus 1. Okay, now if you simplify, you will get here p of minus 1 as it is equal to minus 1 cube is minus 1 because this is odd number. Suppose it is even number, plus 1 you will come, but it is odd number, so it is minus 1 plus 3 as it is minus 1 square even it is, so into 1 I have written, plus into minus is minus, so 3 into 1 is 3 plus 1. So minus 1, 3 into 1 is 3, minus 3 as it is plus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 get cancels, plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. So after substituting x is equal to minus 1, in the polynomial p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, you will get 0 answer. Okay, so what is the value of p of minus 1 here? 0. Okay, the remainder, we need to find the remainder for this polynomial, this given polynomial. When you divide by x plus 1, you will get the remainder 0 here. Okay, similarly we will go for the second question. What is the second question? X minus 1 by 2. So g of x is equal to x minus 1 by 2. If we equate with the 0, x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0, you will get x is equal to 1, 2. As we substituted the value of x is equal to minus 1 in the given polynomial, here also x is equal to 1 by 2 we need to substitute. Okay, my dear students. Now put x is equal to 1 by 2 in the polynomial 1. Which is the polynomial 1? This is the polynomial 1. So if you substitute, what happens here? Instead of x, p of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 whole cube whole square plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. Wherever x is there, we have to put 1 by 2. Wherever the x variable is there in the given polynomial 1, you have to put the value 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole cube means 1 by 8, 3 into 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. Okay, so how did you get this one? 1 by 2 as 1 by 8, 1 by 2 whole cube as 1 by 8, because this can be written as 1 cube divided by 2 cube. Okay, so 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. 2 cube means what? 2 cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. That 8 I have written here. Okay, so what can be written as this one? 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. That we will see. Okay, what happens now. So see here, this can be written as 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. Okay, if nothing is there in denominator, you can write 1 by 1. So taking the LCM of 8, 4, 2, I have written here 2, 4, 8. You will get the LCM 8 here. Here 2 into 2 into 2, 8 is there. So how in denominator 8 will become? So in this one 8 is there, means how many 8 are there in 8? 1 8 are there. So numerator and denominator is multiplied by 1. So in 4 how many 8 are there? Not like that. How many 4 are there in 8? 2. So multiplied and divided by 2. In 8 how many 2 are there? 4. In 8 how many 1 are there? 8. So like that I have multiplied. Okay, so 1 into 1 is 1, 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into 4 is 12, 1 into 8 is 8. So 8 1s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 1 8s are 8. That I have written here. So if you add here 1 plus 6 plus 12 plus 8, you get 27 by 8. So after substituting x is equal to 1 by 2, you will get the value 27 by 8. Means the remainder of the given polynomial, when you divide by x minus 1 by 2, when you divide by x minus 1 by 2, you will get the remainder 27 by 8. So for example, I will give for the same polynomial. Third one is g of x is equal to x is given, so x is equated with 0. So wherever x is there, you have to put the value of x as 0, so that you will get the remainder. Okay. Similarly, next x plus pi. This is the fourth divisor, g of x. So if you equate with 0, x plus pi is equal to 0, that is x is equal to minus pi. So put x is equal to minus pi in the given polynomial 1, polynomial 1, so that you will get the remainder. Okay. So don't put any pi values 22 by 7 or 3.14. Don't put this one. Okay. Don't put this one. Directly just you keep the answer in terms of pi. Similarly, fifth one, g of x is equal to 5 plus 2x. Okay, that is 5 plus 2x is equal to 0. If you equate with 0, that is 2x as it is equal to minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5 by 2. So if you substitute x is equal to minus 5 by 2, if you substitute x is equal to minus 5 by 2 or put x is equal to minus 5 by 2 in the polynomial 1, you will get the remainder. Just you can simplify. Okay. So next in 2.3 exercise, next question number 2, very important. Find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Okay, this is the linear polynomial, this is the cubic polynomial. So this cubic polynomial is going to be divided by linear polynomial x minus a, so that what is the remainder we need to find here. So let p of x is equal to the given p of x I have written here, g of x also I have written here, linear polynomial x minus a. When you equate with the 0, x minus a, that is x minus a is equal to 0, that is x is equal to a. Now put x is equal to a in 1. So I have considered this polynomial as 1. So you have to substitute here. Okay. So after simplifying, you will get 5a. So one thing you should remember here, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So that is here a to the power of 1 is there into a to the power of 2 is there. So a to the power of 1 into a to the power of 2 is equal to a to the power of 1 plus 2 is nothing but a to the power of 3. So after simplifying, you will get the answer 5 by not 5 by a, it is 5a. P of a is equal to 5. So one more homework I will tell. So what is the question number 3? Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Okay. So what is p of x here? 3x cube plus 7x. G of x is equal to 7 plus 3x. So equate with 0 this one. So 7 plus 3x is equal to 0, 3x is equal to minus 7, so x is equal to minus 7 by 3. So put x is equal to minus 7 by 3 in 1. So this is 1. Okay, in this one if you substitute, you will get the remainder. Okay, it may be equal to 0 or it may not be equal to 0. Means remainder is equal to 0 or remainder may not be equal to. Suppose after substituting x is equal to 7 by minus 7 by 3 in the given polynomial 1, you will get 0, then you can say that 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Otherwise, you can't say. Otherwise, 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Okay, thank you.